Hey friends of the twins, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually going to be over at Mom's house. It is time to get her entryway decorated for Christmas. Now this is a little throwback. We're just sharing with y'all how we had it decorated for the fall of this year. And friends of the twins, I know that y'all don't believe us, but when I tell you we can't do anything with our mama, we can't do anything with her. This was not the initial plan for the fall decor over here this year, but she could not find the other door foil that we were going to use, even though we did end up finding it. And y'all, we've told y'all before, she actually gives away some of the things that we leave, like our statement or our staple pieces for decorating her entryway. She'll give them away quickly. This is a relatively new senior community. Mom was definitely the first one to start decorating her entryway. She was actually only like the second resident to move in. When she moved in, they were brand spanking new, but it has been so nice seeing other residents kind of join in on the fun. And no worries, friends of the twins, I did ask this young lady if it was okay for me to film her entryway, but how cute is that? I just love it. So we always like to start with a good foundation, and for us that involves putting up a door foil. And all we do, y'all, is typically we go to Home Goods and we find us some really pretty wrapping paper. And for this year's Christmas theme, we already had a good head start because we had gone to that Christmas pop-up, and so we knew that the royal and the navy blues were going to be for Mom's house. Another thing that we did is here with this little accent rug, we made sure to tape it down because this thing does not have any kind of backing, and we don't want her coming out and slipping on anything. And so now that we've gotten everything taken down, here is a look at all of the things that we brought. Now we did have the head start of the jump start with the color scheme, but we still didn't really know what we were going to do. We just knew what colors we were going to use. We actually ended up bringing 2 different door foils, and this is the one that we decided to go with just because we knew that it would be so stunning with that royal and navy color. Now this one had glitter on it, and that made it a little bit harder to get up because the tape was not sticking really well to the glitter, so we had to end up kind of taping it from the back. But we made it happen. And here she does have a peephole in the door, but she doesn't use it, so she told us that it would be fine if we had the peephole covered. Friends of the twins, y'all take a good look at this table cover. It is actually a rug. I'm sure y'all have seen them a lot at Ross. It is a really pretty and rich, vibrant navy blue color. It is so pretty, but when we share the reveal in just a little bit, the color of this is going to be distorted. But y'all keep in mind that it is this really pretty, vibrant and rich navy blue color. Here we're pulling in from our Tuscan days. Shonda had this vessel and already had the foam in it. It was actually a floral arrangement, and she loved the style of the container, and so definitely something that she has kept throughout the years. We knew that it would be perfect to use as the base for the Christmas tree. So easy to just stick it down in the foam. Here we're going to get it fluffed out and let the decorating begin. And anytime we're over here decorating for what we like to call the Door Chronicles, all we really have, y'all, is the vertical space. So we really want to take advantage of that. I have been saying that maybe in the spring, I'm going to try to go up even more. That's all I have is the vertical space. So might as well make the most of it. Another thing we picked up while we were at the Christmas pop-up shop is these gifts. And friends of the twins, these were only $1 each, and they came just as you see them. Already had the ribbon on them and everything, so they worked out perfectly.
Please leave a light on for Christmas, for all who spend it on their own. Please leave a light on for Christmas, and maybe one so lost can finally find a home. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas, that maybe all the firing will cease.
When it was all said and done, it came out so pretty. And one thing that I have to tell y'all is that when we were there decorating, it took us probably about 5, maybe 6 hours. And you want to know why? It's because as her neighbors would come in and out and going about there in the hallways, everybody had to stop and everybody wanted to talk. We had a chance to kind of catch up with 2 of her neighbors that we already knew, but we met several others that we had never met before. You know, they haven't been there as long as Mom has, and so they were just tickled to death to see us there decorating. They said they always wanted to see who is coming over and who is decorating her door. So it was a lot of fun. That's a wonderful thing. I've shared this with you all before. It has been such a conversation starter for her, and it has enabled her to meet a lot of new neighbors as they come in and out. They always want to meet the lady who keeps her door decorated. And as we talk about the gifts here, we ended up stacking them or kind of hanging them on the wall, and that was because we had them stacked on the floor, but we try to be mindful. People are moving about. Some have walkers. There are a couple that are in wheelchairs, and some have the motorized mobility units. So, we just try to be mindful of that. We don't want to have too much, on the floor, and we don't want to be in anyone's way. And hanging them on the wall like this worked out even better, than we could have imagined, because it did take up that vertical space. In our initial design, we had planned to use a large wreath on the door, but if some of you can remember that pretty red one that she has that has a teddy bear on it, well, she would not let me deconstruct it. I told her, I said, well, Mama, I can put it back together, if we decide to go back with the red, in another year, but she would not let me take it down. So we just had to go to plan B, and that was to use some more of this gorgeous ribbon. We love how we ended up using 3 different ribbons on the Christmas tree. We have the blue and the silver, as well as the gold with the pretty inlays on it and the glitter. And I hope that you all can tell that the gold ribbon is actually laying on top of some solid royal blue velvet ribbon. So everything came out just so pretty. We hope y'all have enjoyed seeing the Christmas version of the Door Chronicles for 2025. It is always so much fun when we go over and do this. As always, friends of the twins, you make the life that you live. You make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.